This is Ramesh from Bangalore. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Getting a job is easy. My YouTube channel name is RJB's Career Support. In my last video, I have explained how many types of interviews are there and the brief description about each of the interview process. One is a telephonic interview. The second is interview through a digital platform. The third is face-to-face interview. Now, first, let us focus on telephonic interview process. Please remember, telephonic interview is the fundamental or preliminary interview to take you to next level of interviews. So, it's very important to answer the questions clearly so that the interviewer, as I told you earlier, it will be done through third party or somebody else. So it will facilitate them to recommend you to next stage interview. So before you attend the telephonic interview, please keep certain basic principles in your mind. First, when you attend the interview, go to the silent place or where there is no or there is less noise is available, or preferable to there is no noise. Check the network coverage area. Third, please keep pen and a notebook ready. When they say something, please take a note. They will tell immediately. You should not search the note and pen, so that you keep the handy. Fourth is, please always display your calendar. What will happen when they ask you, are you ready to attend the digital interview by next week? Then you should not ask them what is the date. Then that the interview, that calendar will help you to identify which date is convenient to you and which date is convenient to them. So that time you should not search for these basic instruments. Okay. Now let us start the interview questions. See, these questions not only meant for the telephonic interview, but it will be asked during other interview process also. In general, these 4 general questions will help them to filter you at this stage. Okay. During telephonic interview, first question generally what interviewer will ask is, are you willing to relocate? If you are willing to relocate, you can say yes. It depends purely on your family background. So in this case, you have to say yes or no, so that you also need not waste the further time and they also need not proceed further. So this is purely depend on your family background. Okay. The next question, probably what they will ask is, this job is on temporary basis. Are you willing to join? Don't say no. Please, in case if the temporary job comes under your core area of study, accept it. Whether permanent or temporary doesn't matter. What is important is to learn. Okay. After seeing your performance, they may give a permanent employment. So don't say flatly, no, I am not ready to join temporary positions. Okay. The third is, every company will have some budget to recruit the candidates. So they will ask you, are you willing to join for this salary? For example, 25,000. Just for easy conversation, I am keeping that figure. In case, if you are okay with the 25,000, you can say okay. In case if you are not interested or if you are not willing to accept that 25,000, immediately do not refuse it. Ask the question further, sir, I am ready to work with this salary, but how long this salary increase will take? 6 months or 1 year? So please ask the next question to them, so that they have to open their mouth and tell the interviewer, gentlemen, we can give this 25,000 for 1 year or 2 years or 6 months. Then so they have to tell the answer to your question. Then accordingly you can decide whether to accept or not accept. So bluntly, don't say no. Ask the questions, then take a decision accordingly. The fourth question most probably will be, are you ready to join next week? Or are you ready to join tomorrow? Or are you ready to join next month? So these questions will be likely asked. During that time, if you are willing to join next week, say yes. However, most of the candidates are not willing to accept what interviewer is proposed the dates. So in that case, your answer should be, sir, I am ready to join within a week time, but give me another additional 1 week time so that I can make some preliminary arrangements and join on my committed date. So this has to be told before you accept their date. What happened? If you don't explore or open this option to them, they will take your statement as it is and they will send a recommendation to the next level of interview. At that time, if they find you are not ready to join next month or next week, whatever date proposed by them, then definitely your position will be not good. So these are the questions. Please keep it in mind and accordingly you answer this. So technical questions and other related subject questions they will ask at later stage, but this will help them to lay a foundation stone for the candidate to before they go for a digital platform interview or the face-to-face interview, so that they don't want to waste their time and your time also. Okay, I hope you got my message how to handle the telephonic interview. So thanks for watching this YouTube channel. Please send your feedback to my email ID, and also if you have any questions, please send it across to me. I am happy to provide the answer and support you. Thank you for your time. Namaste.